Can we edit Instagram story after posting? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can edit Instagram story after posting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that we'll take is we'll update the Instagram app. So we are dealing with the updated and the latest features that Instagram has. So search for Insta on your app store and tap on the update button and just update it. After updating, you can open up your Instagram app. After you're on your Instagram app, you can see your story on the top left. Tap on your story to view your story. Now, after you're on your story, you can tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Let me go back. There we go. Tap on it. Now, there you will see different settings related to your story. So here you can see story settings. You can archive your story, you can save it, you can share as post, you can send it to people. And let's head over to story settings. And from here, the only thing that you can do is you can control who can view your story, control who can reply to your story, and commenting, saving, and sharing. So that's the only thing that you can edit here. And those are basically your story settings, but not editing. So head over to done. Let's head over to more again. And after you're here, you can see that you can add mentions as well. So the only edit you can make to a story is mention few people. So you can add people here as well. And those are the only settings that is available in your story. So I hope this answers your question that you cannot actually edit your Instagram story after posting. But what you can do is you can upload a new story. And from here, you can actually edit your story. So you can repost the story by editing it as much as you want. So you can type in anything that you want. You can add stickers if you want to. And you can add music as well. So those are the edits that you can do, including the effects, draw, and label AI. So those are the things that you can do while you're posting story, but after posting, you cannot actually, edit anything as you have seen on our first story. So I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.